In the Tabasco lab, we're working on making a 3D bioprinted tumor model. We're then using that model to better understand different radiation therapies and different ways of fighting cancer.
The main goal is to try to create a model for cancerous tumors that we can use to investigate how radiation might affect those cancerous tumors in real people.
In the fight for cancer, you really want a good model so that you can test different radiotherapy or chemical techniques. 3D bioprinting is a recent and up-and-coming technology that allows you to really mimic those cell-to-cell interactions. You can print a whole tumor with vasculature, with perfusion, blood flow, and different things that really only exist inside the human body. Then you could take that model and do different therapies on it to make sure that we're fighting cancer as effectively as possible. So 3D bioprinting, it's been used before, but mostly with chemotherapy drugs. It hasn't been used for radiotherapy as much. Also, a lot of radiotherapy is just built based off of 2D cell models, which don't capture a lot of the immune effects and vascular effects that a tumor model would capture. So what we're trying to do is translate that technology into more radiotherapy applications so that we can make those changes and make radiotherapy as effective of a technique as possible.